Hello everyone, and welcome to FlowHunt. Have you ever felt frustrated with YouTube videos that are unnecessarily long? Maybe you just want the ingredients from a cooking video or need to find a specific item in a video game. Perhaps you're too busy to sit through a 3-hour marketing video and just want the key points. Well, today we're going to solve that problem. Using FlowHunt, we'll create a chatbot that extracts the essential content from YouTube videos and presents it to you in text format. The best part? You don't even need to provide a specific link. Just mention a keyword, and our chatbot will automatically search for the top videos on that topic and use them as the source material. Let's get started. When you enter flowhunt.io, the first thing you'll see is the Getting Started page. Navigate to the Flows tab and create a new flow. Name the flow as you wish and provide a detailed description so that you know exactly what each of your flows does. When you create a new flow, you will have the option to choose from different ready-to-use templates. But we won't do that today. Next, we are greeted by our canvas. Here, we need to add an input and an output. The input represents the user's request, and the output is the chatbot's response. Any components placed between the input and output will transform the input into the desired information. Let's get started by adding our first component. For this task, we'll utilize the tool calling agent, which is necessary for using the YouTubeSearch tool. There are optional features we can add to our agent to make it even better. One of these is the chat history component, which allows the chatbot to remember past conversations. This helps improve responses, especially if you weren't satisfied with an answer or asked for something similar. Another optional component is the LLM component. While the tool calling agent already comes pre-built with GPT-4, this component lets us change the LLM model if needed. Next, we add our tools. We'll include the YouTube search component so the LLM can find relevant videos based on your keywords. Additionally, we'll add the URL retriever, which extracts the content from the video using its URL. Now we can connect everything together. But we're not done yet. Since the agent can think, we need to guide its thought process. We'll do this by providing a specific prompt in the system message compartment. Once we've done that, we can start generating extracted content. For example, I can ask the chatbot to give me marketing tips from Simon Squibb's videos. As you can see, it will generate the most important tips from his videos on marketing. You can fine-tune this process to generate detailed essays about the video, or even extract the full transcript. But for now, this is the example we'll use. Here's a full overview of the flow with the prompt included, so you could screenshot it. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact us or leave a comment below. We'll make sure to address and resolve your issues. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.